bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with a new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
The cabin filter is located on the passenger side of the vehicle, behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Unhook the dampener arm. Push in on both sides of the glove box to release the stops. Unclip both sides of the housing cover to remove it. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1058C filter into the housing with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the housing cover. Partially close the glove box to re-engage the stops. Hook the dampener arm back onto the glove box. Close the glove box. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.